welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you enable price alert into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget you will get to see this section of markets. Tap into that, and after tapping into markets, tap into this three dot into top right corner. Now, after tapping into there, you will get this option of price alert. Tap into price alert, and after going into price alert, you can set the frequency of price alert at very first. Just simply select if you want to set your privacy alert into any of those options. I'm selecting multiple times for now, and after that, you can select the alert mode. And after selecting the alert mode, you can just simply change the price rise or fall into here, and after that tap to create alert, and after doing this much your price alert will successfully be created. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.